Hi. So this is a demonstration of the activity involved with movement. So what I did here is I found a photo of a work of art from the Detroit Institute of Arts website that I liked. That's this one here. I printed mine in color so that I would be able to demonstrate in this way, but there's really no need for you to print. You could just look at it on whatever digital device it is that you're using. So I wrote down the information called for in the assignment. The title is Ancestral Memory. The artist is, not sure if it's Hale or Haley Woodruff. The medium is oil on canvas. The size is 60 by 52 inches. The culture is African American. And now I've started to make a sketch with shaded values. So I drew it out kind of like this at first, and then I used my value scale here from a previous assignment to measure different values. Like I put it over here and looked at this red color in the original, squinted my eyes and thought that this red most closely matched an 8 value when I squinted. And so then I tried to create an 8 value over here. I could maybe shade it a little darker. I measured the value here and I found that it was about a 10, and so I tried to really make it a 10. I measured every part to find the value. I have just a little bit more here to shade in, and I'm just doing this really quick, kind of scribbly and messy, really hatching way of doing it. This was definitely a bit of an odd painting to try to make with pencil because been looking at it for a while now, and I realized that it's kind of all sort of graffiti style marks and just really brushy kind of paint marks. So it's odd to try to replicate it with pencil, but I'm doing my best. And just showing where the darks and lights are is the most important thing here. So once I'm done sketching that value, where we connect this to movement is by looking at it and thinking about how your eye moves around. So what I recommend doing is looking at the original and, looking at it, looking away from it, and then looking at it real quick to see where your eye is drawn to. And this one's really kind of a tricky one, but there definitely is a face right here, and my eye is drawn to that face. There is a high level of contrast there. There's very, very dark parts, and then in the original there's these really little light bits here. From there, I think this strong shape moves my eye down this way, and then I'm drawn to these detailed little shapes up here, and then kind of up around this way, I think in a bit of a spiral. So it's a bit of a personal interpretation. There's not necessarily a right or a wrong answer here, but I'm just going to use my color medium here. This is a purple pen. You could use whatever you can find, any kind of colored marker or crayon or colored pencil. And I'm indicating that my eye goes here first. Then it goes down this way. Then I felt, oh no. Hang on, I got a Sharpie. All right, this way. And then I felt like it kind of went up here. Look at how these even point this way. It does kind of draw your eye around this way. And then kind of back. So that's how you do the movement activity.